Before you begin, be sure you have the following items: Thermo Shield box, Thermo Shield wrap, coated corrugated pads, packing tape. Tape the bottom of the box, one strip of tape across the center, and a strip on either side. Take 2 pieces of PACT Thermo Shield wrap. Place one piece across the bottom of the box so that the ends of the wrap line up with the box flaps. Place the other piece across the box perpendicular to the first, lining it up with the other 2 box flaps. Then place a coated corrugated pad at the bottom of the lined box to hold the wrap in place. Place the battery in the center of the PACT Thermo Shield wrap and tightly wrap the battery. Apply tape to hold in place. Place single lithium-ion batteries in a box, tightly packing them so they don't shift around. Once the box is packed, close the box and wrap tightly with the Thermo Shield pleat wrap. Secure the wrap with a piece of tape. Place wrapped batteries one at a time into the lined Thermo Shield box, separating each with a coated corrugated pad. Place a coated corrugated pad on top before closing. One at a time, fold the excess PACT Thermo Shield wrap pieces over the coated corrugated pad. Then fold the cardboard flaps of the outer box together. Tape the flaps shut by putting one piece of tape across the center of the box. Now apply a piece of tape on either side.